Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to the channel. So we got something epic planned for you today. We're here in East Texas, out here by a bridge doing some fishing, and we found a pretty cool spot, some trails through the woods to go bashing on. So we're gonna try to make the best video possible with just the T-Maxx. We're gonna take turns driving, one of us be driving, the other one be filming. We're gonna try to make the best possible video we can with the Nitro truck. So hopefully you guys been asking for more Nitro footage, so here it is.
Yeah, well, if I can find a big enough jump, I'm gonna try to see if it'll backflip, but I gotta find a big enough jump. We brought the ramp, but it's kind of under fishing gear and other RCs, so we're not gonna break it out. We're just gonna look for another jump. But there is a makeshift graveyard over there, so yeah. Stay tuned. Things are about to get really cool.
All right guys, we're gonna get it started. We'll put you back on. can't remember.
I just pushed it.
Oh, I think you might have pushed it again. Let me see. Bring it over here. Yeah, you stopped it. that's the end of the video. What do you guys think about that epic Nitro footage?
Yeah, graveyard included.
Yep, we was messing around this little terror trails, and we found too much mud, so we had to stop. But yeah, there was some little trails back in the woods at this place called Terror Trails, some Halloween thing.
Yeah, abandoned. We found a bando.
And also, I plan on putting the speedometer, as you guys just saw on that footage when we was here on the pavement. I'm gonna put the speedometer on that footage so we can see what the one of those runs there we did on the pavement was top speed for that T-Max. So whatever that speedometer said when you guys was watching the footage is the max speed of that T-Max.
Yep. And I was fiddling with the tuning like just about the whole time. It got a little. I drowned it. I don't think it's on. I actually do think it's on the footage where I drowned it. But
yeah,
after that,
we smacked it into a big puddle.
Yeah. After that, I had to we had to blow it out, and then I had to retune it and all that good stuff. It got a little hectic. He got mad. Got attacked by ants. Yeah.
Nah, I didn't get mad, but sometimes my patience runs thin. But that's just me. It ain't nothing to do with nobody else.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, we had fun making this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Leave us a note down in the comments, and we'll make more videos.
Yep.
Have a good one, guys. Keep your head up. Stay safe.